Let us prove that a convex polygon cannot have more than 3 acute interior angles. So let us take a 5-sided polygon, which is a pentagon, whose sum of the interior angles is equal to 540 degrees. So that means alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 plus alpha 4 and alpha 5 has to be equal to 540 degrees. Now, in order to get this minimum number 3, let us try with all different possible cases. Firstly, let us verify whether all the 5 angles can be acute. Now, if all the 5 are less than 90 degrees, then 5 times 90 will be equal to only 450 degrees. But we need the sum as 540. Hence, there cannot be 5 interior angles which are acute. Coming to the second option, let us assume that 4 are acute angles and 1 being obtuse. Now 4 acute gives the sum as 4 times less than 90 and obtuse, which is less than 180 and more than 90. Now 4 times 90 will be 360 degrees, in fact less than that, plus something below 90 to 180. So the maximum case it can be up to 180. We know that this is not exactly 360. Since it is less than 90, we will get some value 360 minus say alpha. Now this sum is equal to 540 degrees minus alpha. But we need the sum exactly being equal to 540. Hence, even a polygon cannot have 4 acute angles. Now let us check for 3 acute angles. Now for 3 being acute and 2 being obtuse, for 3 acute it will be 3 times less than 90 degrees plus 2 times angle lying between 180 to 90. Now this will be 270 degrees minus beta, some angle, plus the maximum case, let us assume as 180, which is 360 degrees. In fact, it will be less than that. It cannot be equal to exactly 180. But let us check the limiting case. Now we can see that this sum is equal to 530 degrees. 630 degrees minus beta. So we can say that for some value of beta, this value will be equal to 540 degrees. Although the limiting case here 180 won't be possible, the sum won't be 360 and it can be adjusted, and we can say that 3 acute angles and 2 being obtuse is a possible case. But if we take more than 3 acute angles, we have seen that it is not possible. Hence we can say that in a polygon it cannot have more than 3 acute interior angles.